I don't know if your household is like this, but while I try to make dinner, homework, dog waiting for food. It's Monday, daylight savings time, which means Monday is a terrible day. And of course, it's time to make dinner.
Please, no! No!
My favorite time of the day. Today I'm going to make chicken pot pie. It might not be the same kind of pot pie that you're used to, but my kids love it, and I think mostly because I put it in these little dishes. Just got it at the local store. Not expensive, but they think it's great because they each individually have their own pot pie. There's only a few steps to this recipe, so it's really fast and really easy, which is why I like it so much. Since we're videotaping it, you can look at the chicken here, ready to go into the pot.
I'm blown away! Are you blown?
Here we have it in the bowl, ready to put on the stove. It has the chicken, the frozen vegetables, the frozen potatoes, the cream of chicken soup, and then I put some salt and pepper to season, and you add some milk to mix it all together. This goes on the stove top, heat it until it boils, then you dish it out. Crescent rolls on top.
Nothing says lovin' like my crescent rolls.
Okay, so the last step is to put a little bit of egg with some water, and then we put a wash on top. I take the leftovers. I make scrambled eggs for Winston, our dog. He loves that. Little thyme leaf on the top. And into the oven it goes.
Go fix me a turkey pot pie.
How did you get it out?
I like it, Jackson.
Yummy.
Michigan, they have this dessert called chicken pot pie. Potatoes, chunks, there's chicken, a bunch of vegetables, and they have this piece of bread that Americans call croissants. It's kind of like a French bread. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, I've heard around this town that people really enjoy this meal, especially in the winter times. It's really warm, but it is amazing.